Welcome to Frog Street's 30th Annual Splash Conference, reuniting educators in a celebration experience like never before. Frog Street's Splash Conference offers exceptional experiences using the latest in brain research and the best instructional practices to benefit all early childhood educators. Attendees will celebrate our profession to believe, achieve, and succeed. Registration options include pre-conference training sessions, make and take activity presentations, and the incredible Splash keynote speakers by early childhood national experts. Training for Frog Street's Continuum from Birth to 5, plus new implementation training for the new FSPK curriculum. Backed by popular demand, our pre-conference renowned make and take sessions sponsored by Discount School Supply. Mary Jo Huff, Crystal Radke, and your featured DSS presenter will provide toolkits, puppets, sensory projects, and a special resource book for endless teachable moments. Exhibit Showcase includes exceptional new items from well-loved vendors. Find treasures for yourself or your classroom. Celebrity keynote speaker and best-selling author Mark Shriver shares his book titled 10 Heroes. Enjoy the magical musical concert with children's artists Stephen Fite, Don Monopoly, Sean Brown, and Dr. Mike Longoria. Jill Molly and DJ Batiste from Dr. Becky Bailey's Conscious Discipline Program. Libby Doggett and Kathy Doggett. Barry Corral with Yogapalooza. Greg Warren with Kindergarten Smorgasbord. Time Magazine's Young Speaker of the Year, Orion Jean, and numerous additional early childhood experts. During this 30th annual birthday celebration, Splash speakers are all ready to celebrate good times with early childhood session topics to inspire you and rejuvenate your love for teaching. And what could put the icing on a birthday conference cake in addition to all of this? It's the Splash Education Celebration Awards Dinner Extravaganza. This will be held at the Gaylord Texan new Vineyard Tower Tate Ballroom and will highlight the spirit of each of you, the believers in EC education. Register your entire early childhood team for this heartfelt conference to educate, celebrate, and network with fellow professionals July 28th to the 30th, 2022 at the Gaylord Texan Resort, New Vineyard Tower in Grapevine, Texas. Believe, achieve, succeed. Celebrating 30 years of Splash success.